Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. This is a video for a quick and easy last minute Father's Day gift idea in case you haven't gotten something yet. We're going to make some really easy resin coasters. So I've started off by adding a little bit of resin to the coaster molds. And then I'm going to get rid of the air bubbles with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. You can also use a heat gun, but do not use a torch or you will ruin your molds. Now, we're going to just put whatever we want in here. So my father is a handyman, and I'm making some with a bunch of leftover screws, wrenches, drill bits. I'm kind of just throwing a bunch of really fun tools in here. And I just went through my toolbox and grabbed all these. Now, the great thing about this project is that you can customize it. You can put virtually anything in here depending on what the father in your life likes. Like if they like fishing, you could put lures or flat hooks in there. If they like music, you could maybe put pieces of CDs or records or guitar picks. If they're a gamer, maybe you put some old game pieces in there, something like that. If they're a chef, do not put food in there. Don't put any pizza or anything that has any kind of liquid in it, but you could put coffee beans or something dry like that. You could even put like dehydrated orange pieces or something like that. Nothing with any kind of liquid. So if you have doubt about it, you could definitely research it. A lot of candies can safely go into resin. So just think outside the box, look around your house and see what you have that you can use to customize these and make your father something just amazing. They're so fun and easy to make. Now, I do recommend making these as early as possible. Obviously, we're kind of cutting it down to the wire on Father's Day here, but you can always caution the gift receiver to not use them for just a little bit. You want to make sure they do have plenty of time to cure, at least 7 days before use. Once done with your project, fill in the rest of the mold with resin. I did this without letting it cure in between, but these are heavy metal pieces that sink down and they're not going to float up. If you're putting something lighter in here like pressed flowers or paper, anything that will float up, you will want to do this project in 2 parts. Let the initial layer dry, then fill it up the rest of the way with resin. Otherwise, it will stick out of the bottom by floating up. Don't forget to remove the air bubbles one more time, let it cure, demold them, and then you are done. Super easy and quick project. I wanted to show you guys some other ones that I did so you can get an idea of how they look demolded. Have fun with this, and I really hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time.